Code Coach today. Hey, I want to talk about some plumbing protection. This issue is technically not a code violation, but it is definitely something to be mindful of. It's right here. I want you to see here where they ran a line, looks like it was in repair, but I want you to note here where you have your standard line coming in and they got a block away from the subfloor and supported properly, which is good. But instead of securing and supporting this pipe, they replaced it, they just ran it up above. And the problem is that's right up against the subfloor. So if you were to ever go add nails to wood floors or anything like that, put in wood floors, you're gonna have an issue, potentially damage your pipe. Now technically code does not address this issue. Code section, I believe, is 305 in the plumbing code, and it talks about in studs and concealed spaces. It doesn't say anything about ran under floors or under the crawl space or in an attic. However, definitely something to be mindful of because you don't want your plumbing to get nails in it or screws.